Hey everyone, now I'm going to discuss the problem F from AtCoder beginning contest 185. So in this problem we are given an array and we have to process q queries. So in the first type of query we are given x and y. The x basically means the index of the array. We have to change that element by that element XOR y. In the second type of query we are given in range x and y. You have to print the XOR value x to y. Okay, so how can we do that? We know some basic some data structure gives us one more thing to notice that the number of queries are very large, so we cannot do any brute force type of thing because it keeps us really. So we have to think we have to do something logarithmic complexity. So if you talk about logarithmic complexity in range sum or range query data structure like segment tree, Fenwick tree, it comes. So we can use segment tree, but we generally use segment tree for range sum or range minimum. So here we have to find the range XOR. So what we have to be careful is that the property of sum, like if you wanted to calculate the sum up to 4, is it depend on the sum up to 3? So if we know sum up to 3, that is 6, we can plus it by 4, then it will gives us sum up to 4. So in that way we can prove that if we know the XOR up to 3 and we can XOR it by 4, we can find the XOR up to 4. So this sum property arise in XOR also. That's why we can use segment tree, range, something like that in XOR kind of thing. I will show you the code. First I read the array, then I build the segment tree. Here I make some slightly modification. Here I just use a XOR operation instead of sum. Here I just use XOR instead of sum. So in one word, I replace every sum with XOR in segment tree functions like update function, query function, or build function. So that is slightly modification. And I just build the segment tree, then read the type 1. If the type 1 we have to update, we just update, call the update function. When you find that element, we just replace that element with that element XOR number what we are given in y. And there are second type of query, we just print the XOR value x to y. So that is the basic, I mean, it's pretty straightforward range queries or range sum problem. So that is it. Thank you for watching.